My name is Ibukun Oyinlow. I'm from Nigeria. Why did I choose Xavier? I'm a transfer student, so when I was transferring, I had to look into like the opportunities I would get, especially since I'm Nigerian, in terms of residency application. And Xavier just was able to, from the research I got, Xavier was able to show me that they would have like so many opportunities for me with their clinical program. So that's why I chose Xavier. I would say the factors I used to make this decision was one, the finances. Their tuition isn't so bad, but also the opportunities, mostly the opportunities I would receive as a student coming in and trying to get into residency program in the U.S. I would say the process is not very difficult. It has to do with your determination to continue, even if it seems tough. And you just have to keep going, no matter how hard things get, you just have to keep pushing. I would say the experience I got from everything, the faculty. I didn't really get to relate with a lot of the faculty because I only spent time during the clinical rotations. So, but the people I could talk to who were working during the clinical clerkship, they were very compassionate, and they were very interested in in the fact that you're becoming a doctor, and in you as a human being. They were very open and responsive to whatever needs you have. And the curriculum, in sense like the clinical rotations, it was adequate for my learning, and I believe it really helped me to become where I am today. My advice I would give to someone becoming a doctor is to remain focused and determined. There's so many things that would take away your focus, that would take away your drive, but you just have to keep pushing, because the goal at the end of the day is you end up becoming who you've always wanted to be, which is a doctor. How did Xavier prepare me? I would say the clinical rotations really helped in the sense that I learned a lot of discipline with the rotations I was able to attend with Xavier, and integrity and compassion from the rotation. So those are the things I really learned. So the top three things I would say: one is compassion, two is responsibility, and three is hard work. The school is extremely hardworking, and they're very compassionate about their students. They really care a lot about their students. So those are the three things that stand out to me the most.